What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? To watch a tutorial video I mean. And in today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can transfer Dogecoin from Binance to your crypto.com. So for those people who do not know Binance, Binance is the world's top cryptocurrency exchange where you guys can buy and sell crypto. And crypto.com is also an exchange. It does the similar thing which Binance does, buy and sell crypto and transfer in and transfer out crypto. But the extra feature of crypto.com is it provides you a debit card for crypto, which is a new concept. And if you want to know more about it, you can visit the website of crypto.com to know more about it. And if you want to sign up into Binance and crypto.com, I will leave a referral link in the description, which you guys can use to sign up into Binance and crypto.com. And if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. And let's move on with the video without any further ado now, shall we? So the first step is you want to get the wallet address of the crypto which you want to transfer into your crypto.com. So since we want to transfer Dogecoin into crypto.com, what you want to do is you want to go to crypto.com and get the wallet address of Dogecoin. I have already done that, but you guys can go to a crypto.com account and make sure it's the wallet address of Dogecoin. If you're sure it's of Dogecoin, copy it. Once you copy it, come to your Binance account and go on wallet and an overview. And once you're over here, you want to click on where it says withdraw over here. And once you're over here, what you want to do is over here it's going to be Bitcoin. Make sure to change it from Bitcoin to Doge because that's what we are transferring. And over here in address, you want to paste the address which you copied from your crypto.com account. And the network is going to be selected automatically. And over here, enter the amount of Dogecoin you want to send. Click on withdraw and that amount of Dogecoin will be transferred into your crypto.com account. That's simple. So hope you guys were able to understand and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and bye bye everybody.